This is the birthplace of the American legend, the Harley-Davidson Factory.
It starts with heavy-duty steel tubes, bent into the classic cruiser shape.
Skilled welders fuse the frame together with unbreakable strength.
Every joint is smoothed to perfection before painting. The skeleton of the motorcycle is ready for its skin.
Giant presses stamp flat steel into the iconic curved fenders.
The fuel tank, the crown jewel, is crafted with precision.
Each tank is submerged to ensure it is airtight. Before chrome or paint, the metal must be flawless. Harley is famous for its chrome. The parts are dipped in chemical baths. They emerge with a mirror finish that defines the brand.
The gleaming pipes are ready to roar.
The heart of the beast, the Milwaukee 8 V-twin engine.
Pistons the size of coffee cans are installed by hand. The crankshaft transforms explosions into rotary power.
The iconic finned heads keep the air-cooled engine running.
Chrome tubes cover the push rods, adding to the classic look. The 6-speed transmission is built to handle massive torque. The 6-speed transmission is built to handle massive torque. The engine and transmission are bolted together into one unit.
A heavy chain transfers power to the clutch.
Polished covers hide the mechanical magic inside. A masterpiece of mechanical art, ready for the frame.
Before it fires, the engine is spun to check oil pressure.
Each engine gets a unique birth certificate.
It travels to meet its chassis.
Harley paint jobs are legendary for their depth and quality.
Some models still feature hand-painted pinstripes.
The badge that represents freedom.
Clear coat locks in the color forever. The assembly line moves at a steady, rhythmic pace. The engine is lowered and bolted into the frame.
Suspension is added for a smooth American ride.
A Kevlar belt drives the rear wheel silently. The fat rear tire gives the bike its stance. Chrome handlebars are fitted with controls. The painted tank is installed with extreme care. A hand-stitched leather seat for comfort. The exhaust system tunes the engine's voice.
The final step, the dyno test.
Ignition. The legendary potato sound. Running through the gears to check power. Brakes are tested for emergency stops.
Polished to perfection, ready for the showroom.
Crated and shipped to riders around the world. Another legend leaves Milwaukee.
Nothing sounds like a Harley. This is American muscle. If you love bikes, smash like and subscribe to Rising Story USA. Vem kring här för en kämperkam.